how to set up Cash App for business. Before, it was very easy. All you needed to do was to click on your profile icon, and then at the very bottom you had the option to set it to a business account or change your account type. But now if you want to do that, you have to go and click on support. Here we're gonna search for business account. So just search for business account, and you will see create a Cash App for business account. So in order to do that, in order to change it, now you will have to go to your account settings and open the drop down at the top next to your cash tag. And then you have to choose create a business account. Then it's going to ask for your business info to verify your business, that it is a legitimate business. And then you will get a badge next to your business profile once it has been completed. So basically you will need to go back, and like we said here, next to your profile you should have edit profile, and if you have verified your identity on your basic profile, then you can create a business profile with your account info. So hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.